Okay, the way I'm going to be splicing these wires is using these little automotive crimps. You put both wires in and you push that down and it pushes that little blade and it makes a connection between two wires. So I have my ignition power, which is also this green and silver wire on the last video when I was doing the probing. It was green and silver. It's the first pin, so it would be here. Pull that out of the way. Pull that out of the way. There we go. The first pin is this wire. So I'll be gripping onto that, running this through, and I'll get that all fastened up and taped up and show you how it looks on the next part.